that is what really drove me to come check out this resort, because I couldn't believe it. Welcome back, vacationers, on another trip to the Orlando area. In today's trip, we're here at the Rosen Shingle that I'm gonna check out just for you. So the first thing, as soon as you check in, is that they're gonna make you register your vehicle here with this Q card. I don't know if they change this Q card daily. Pulling into the parking lot, you have to register before 12 a.m. again. So it's very important that you register if you're staying here. Now, there is two types of parking. There is valet parking and there's self-parking. Valet parking is $48, self-parking is $28. By all means, self-park. There's a lot of parking space here. I was able to get in and find a nice parking spot right close to the main entrance. Another thing to note is that this does have a huge convention, which is all of that is the convention. And they do have pay to park. If you are coming here for a convention or whatever it may be, you do have pay to park. But did I mention how extravagant and just massive, extremely massive this resort looks? Just look at it. It's like I'm walking into a Ritz-Carlton.
You're glazing. I beg your pardon? Like, you're glazing that, bro. Like,
but at half the price. The place is fancy when they got orange and lemon water. See some cucumber in there. It's what you call fancy water. Okay, 13401. It looks yellow. There's all the lights on here and the wall here is yellow. I feel like I am in old money territory. Carpet is old money, whereby the presidential called Elise and the other one called Hammock looks kind of creepy. Looks very creepy. I look like I'm in an old mansion somewhere. Ooh, staff only. An executive suite. Ooh, I think we hit the right floor. Where the ballers are. And we're leaving where the ballers are. We're going back to where the normies are. 13401. Oh my God. It smells amazing. Smells new. Smells new. He did say it was a newly renovated room, correct? Look at this room. Look at this view. Yo, they hooked us up. They got how many pools? Look, it said for the next Olympics. Mira, practicando. You go, guy. Look at him. Mira, look, go. You got it. Oh, no. Yeah. You got it. Next Olympics. 3 pools. Huge property. And then the golf course. I believe they said it was an 18 hole. Yeah, golf course. And that whole big building over there is a conference. It's literally like its own building. That could be a resort in itself, how big that is. Got hooked up. Ooh, I can't wait to do the room tour. But that's tomorrow morning. Right now, ooh, it's dark. You guys can't see me. There you go. Right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna change, because we're gonna go to Aquatica for a little bit. And then come back and check out more of the resort. So until then, I'll see you guys later. Time skip. We went to the pool, we went to aquatics. We're now showered and gonna go have dinner at one of the restaurants here. The one we really wanted to do was the sushi bar, but unfortunately that one's closed for tonight. So what we're gonna do is eat at the Mexican spot. It looks really good. The quality looks good, so we'll let you know. So we cooking. We got the house guac. This is the watermelon margarita, and this is the spicy mango. All right, so we got the spread, or gordita, which is basically an arepa, and the beef tacos.
Beefier.
Beefier. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to discriminate. Bon appetit.
3:28 a.m.
What if I told you I found the best resort in Orlando, but there's only one catch? It's haunted. Technically, no. This resort is not haunted, but there are some parts that feels like it should be. It just looks spooky, quiet, so much echo. Just look at that hall. Goes all the way down. What happens if the lights start to flicker? Oh. And that doesn't take away from the first statement I said. I still believe now that this is one of the best resorts in Orlando for all the bangs and bucks you get for your hard-earned dollars. Look, 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 look. This is freaking cool. Which resort do you know or have you seen that have AI or robots doing the lawn? This resort has blown my mind away. Just out of its sheer magnitude of size and exceptional customer service. It's like, what, not even 19, got like 16, 1500s? I don't even know what year this is. I wish they put a date. But oh my God, how are they wearing these clothes back in the day without dying? I don't get it. I would never. Me quedo adentro. Nunca salgo. Just to tell you what I've been doing, I've just been exploring this resort. I took some time yesterday to explore it a little bit, but since we did have an itinerary, it was kind of difficult. So now I'm going around and just checking every single crevice, nook, and part of this resort. We're gonna get some coffee because I need some coffee. I got the coffee. Now I'm gonna sound off everything this resort does have. A Starbucks, 3 restaurants, a supermarket, a boba bar, boba tea, a spa, laundry, arcade.
Looking good.
3 pools. 1, 2, 3. Pool bar. Here's a QR code so you could look at the menu. A massive conference center. A cathedral. Empty space. Thousands upon thousands places to sit. An 18-hole golf course. Water coolers. Almost every other corner. Okay, I think this is pretty cool. I'm assuming it's closed at the moment, but it has its own nursery or garden, however you want to look at it. Oh no, it is open. I'm telling you, it should be haunted. Now, I'm not a plant person. I don't know anything about plants, but I see this is growing something. Peppers? Looks like it's growing peppers. Look. Is that green cilantro? It has a lemon tree back there. With their bees doing their thing. So let's not keep going that way. Let them do their thing and not bother Mother Nature. And we'll go out this door.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're in room 13401. So as soon as you walk in, you have this four-way. Now, mind you, the room that I got was a double queen, and they upgraded me to a king. They also told me this was a renovated room. So it looks like they're starting to renovate some of the rooms. I've seen a few pictures of them that are dated. They look dated, but so far so good. Walk in, here's your closet, which has a lot of space for luggage, anything you need to store. Huge amount of space. Robes are very expensive, $75. Hangers, ironing board, safe. But the space, amazing. A lot of space here. Then we go to the bathroom. Again, it's separated, something I don't like, but it still looks nice. Sink area. You have your makeup. Now, this here I don't like. I prefer the coffee area to be over by the office table or by the TV stand, not next to where you do your hair and you brush your teeth. Maybe it's convenient to some people, but I don't really dig it being here. And then on here, you have your dryer and a mat for the bathtub and a really nice long mirror. Then we go into the shower. Here's the toilet. Let's give it a look. Good. Has this little stand here, which I really like, for you to place items. I put my glasses here. This is really convenient. Then you have the shower. Normal shower. Water pressure was good. Water heater was good. So now we go into the main area. Let's give it a pan. And we start off with the bench area over here, where you could put more luggage, sit down, do your shoes, with a nice long mirror. Over here, you have your lamp that has a plug and a USB. You have this nice little clock that has USB, USB-C, and 2 plugs. Very convenient. The main bed, king size. It's very, very comfortable. I enjoyed my night. I had a great sleep on this bed. Pillows were great too. Then you have the TV and the cabinet, which you have here your fridge, and you have 3 drawers. Then you go over here to your little office desk. Your lamp has 1 plug. Very nice. I really, really like the marble. So I'm pretty sure that's part of the new renovation. Over here, your lamp, same thing. Plug, USB. You have a nice little chair, which is very comfortable. I used it last night. 2 plugs. Let's pan the room one more time. And now the view. This is a hell of a view. Look at that. Okay, so overall, I had a phenomenal stay. I really enjoyed this resort, and this was the first time me ever staying here. And it really, really impressed me. There is nothing really to knock on this resort. I do have an observation, which is the theming that I've been seeing all across this resort, which is that clash between modern, right, and old school money. Like this resort, when it was made for old school money. What do I mean by that? Feels like that resort that it's your grandparents that used to bring your parents to all the time, and it was made for them. And now they're trying to modernize it for the next generation. That's what it feels like, because the color scheme in some of these areas is just real crazy. It's that old dark wood and orange style that you can tell it's made for old money. But that aside, there's nothing else I could say negative about this resort. Customer experience was phenomenal. The food where we ate last night, phenomenal. The pool, phenomenal. Amenities, phenomenal. The vibe, the grandiose of this resort, phenomenal. The price, freaking phenomenal. I paid $131 for this room, no resort fee, which is the cherry on top. That is what really drove me to come check out this resort, because I couldn't believe it. Most resorts in Orlando now have an absorbent amount of resort fees per day, which is wild. And to think that there is a resort of this magnitude, this level, and this rating that does not have a resort fee, it's unheard of. I will be coming to this resort. And this resort has now hit probably one of my top fives. I will be making a top 5 video of my favorite resorts in Orlando for you guys. I'll be thinking about that. But now it's your turn. Have you stayed here before? What was your experience? Comment down below and let the travel squad know. On to the next trip. Stay safe.